Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how you can log into your account on forex.com. So I'll be guiding you guys, so just let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to any web browser and just type forex or forex.com like this, and then you'll be over here. So over here this is the first let's say link. Over here you have this login option directly from here, so it's easy guys. So you can go from here, just go over here, and then let's see, now you have a login platform. So over here you can log into your account from here, like you can use your username, so any username, and then password, just type in your password. You can even use remember me, so that you don't have to log in to your future. So, and you can choose this I'm not robot and just press login. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you log into your account. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment if you have any queries with us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.